Hi, welcome again to yet another presentation from Actronics India. In this presentation we'll look at this RTC shield for Arduino. So basically this shield has three push button, and this is the DS1307 and the crystal, and as you can see there are four multicolor LEDs. This is the NTC thermistor for temperature measurement, and this is the LDR for light measurement. So basically you have this light and temperature measurement which are connected to the analog pins. So you just have to do the analog reading, ADC reading, to measure the light intensity or the temperature, and you can display this temperature on this 7 segment shield, which is a I2C shield, and it has this TM1637 IC inbuilt, and this is the buzzer for if you want to make a digital alarm clock or something, you can use this buzzer and all those things. So basically this is a multi-purpose shield which has like so many features on board, from push buttons to all those things. So like these buttons are also marked, so you like if you want to change the time, set the alarm or something, you can use this button, and you can use this buzzer for the alarm, and you can use this LEDs for this temperature display, like it's hot, cool or whatever, or for the lightings and all those things. So like if it's sunlight has come, then you just start the buzzer, like morning sunrise alarm, like so many different projects can be made using this Arduino Uno and this RTC shield. You can even have a object counter, stuff like that. You can have a laser diode pointing on this LDR, and then how many objects are like going between, like you can put it like this and a laser going on this LDR, and then how many objects are crossing. You can like measure those number of objects on a conveyor belt and all those things, and can display using this 7 segment shield, which is I2C compatible. So as you can see, using this shield you can do quite a lot of interesting projects. So one more thing, this shield has a battery backup for this RTC DS1307. So you just have to set the time once and forget, because the time will be saved even when it is not powered on. So this was the quick intro of our RTC shield for Arduino Uno. Thanks for watching.